Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from Taiwan. These are some new varieties from a company I've not tried yet, so let's crack it open and have a look. Alright, so the company's products I'm looking at today are, the company is called Kung Fu Noodles. Yeah, so this one is premium goose oil with crispy shallot flakes. That sounds pretty good. I know nothing about goose oil, so yeah, this will be an education. Another goose oil variety. This one has Szechuan pepper and hot chili. And here's a new one. This one has black sesame oil and mashed ginger. They're also kind enough to include a couple sauces. I'm not sure what this one is or what this one is, but I'll get a hold of them and I'll figure that out. Well, cool. Thank you very much to the folks over at Kung Fu Noodle over in Taiwan. I'm very curious about these and looking forward to try them. Alright, well hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoy your noodles every day. Have a good one.
Bye.
Bye.